CapCut is one of the most popular video editing software. It gained popularity because it is free, easy to use, and offers a wide range of useful tools. Today, I will show you how to automatically generate captions based on the audio track accompanying your video. For example, on my YouTube channel, I publish tutorials on various applications, and CapCut can make captioning easier for me. Let's see how to do it in practice. I will open the CapCut video editor and create a new project. From the folder containing my video, I will drag and drop that video file into the media section. From this section, I will now drag the video onto the timeline. As you can see, in the top right corner, we have numerous settings for video, audio, speed, animations, and color corrections. On the other hand, we have options for text, transitions, effects, and more. I will click on the text button, which contains the option we are looking for. Auto Captions are that option. I will click on it. Recognize speech in the video and generate auto captions. Here, we need to choose the language for captions. Choose the language based on the language heard in the video. There are many options available. I will select the English language. After selecting the language, click on the Create button. The process of creating captions has started. We will need to wait for a certain amount of time depending on the length of the video. On the timeline, a new layer with textual elements has appeared. This text will now appear on the video. I will play the preview of this video in full screen. Does it happen to you too that a program stops working and you can't shut it down in the usual way? This happens to me relatively often because I use a large number of programs on the Windows 10 system. As you can see, the captions are displayed at the bottom of the screen. For demonstration purposes, I will turn off this layer so you can see that CapCut generated them. I will then bring them back onto the video. Now, you can modify these captions as you like. In the top right corner of the screen, there are settings for captions. Here, you can choose one of the many available fonts. On the slider, you can adjust the font size. You can also choose a style, bold, italic, or underline. I have set a large font size, so I will reduce it. Additionally, you can choose the font color. I will choose a shade of yellow. Here's how it looks for now. You can also adjust individual parts of the caption by clicking on them and modifying the parameters. You can even edit the text. For example, I will capitalize this part of the text. Let's see the changes. Here are our edits. Subscribe to our channel and become part of our digital family. And that's it for this video. All that's left is to export the video, and it's ready for social media and my YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel and support our work.